Welcome to Dhruvatare Ayurveda.
Hello everyone, myself Sudeep. I am second year BMA student. Welcome to Dhruvatara Ayurveda. Last video I dealt Asti Sharira. Today I am going to teach you Kesha Sharira. Let's dive into fascinating world of hair and understand how they support our body. Index. Today these are the points I am going to cover. Syllabus copy, PYQ, Kesha, Danta, Naka. In Kesha, we are dealing with the introduction, पर्याय, पंचमहाभौतिक predominance, Kesha उत्पत्ति, उपधातु, mala, numbers and Prakruta Swarupa of Kesha, scalp anatomy and clinical importance. Syllabus copy. The Kesha Danta Naka Sharira. It is a must-know topic. It can be asked for MCQ, SAQ, and it will not ask for LAQ. PYQ. These are the questions asked in university exams. Explain about Panchamahautika, Swarupa and Swabhava and relation with Prakruta of Danta with clinical relevance. Explain about Kesha and Naka. Write the clinical examination with applied aspect. Explain the Prakruta and Vaikruta Swarupa of Kesha. Explain about Panchamahautika, Swarupa, Swabhava and relation with Prakruta Kesha with clinical relevance. Introduction. All the dhatus are having their own upadhatu and mala. Kesha and Naka are the mala of Asti dhatu, while Danta is considered under Asti dhatu. The Kesha and Naka are considered as the Upanga. The Prakruta and Vaikruta avastha of all the three structures are at most necessary to analyze the healthy status and pathological condition of the body. Synonyms. Paryaya. Chikura, Kuntula, Roma and Loma. These are the synonyms of Kesha. Panchamahautika predominance. Kesha is considered as Parthiva Dravya as it is derived from Prithvi Mahabhuta. Kesha Utpatti. Formation of hair. Garbhasya Kesha Shamsu Lomasti Astanaka Danta Sirasnayi Damanirete Prabhutani Sthirani Pitrujani Shushuta Shariram 3/33. It is derived from Pitruja Bhava. As we know, there are 5 bhavas like Matruja Bhava, Pitruja Bhava. All the soft organs are Matruja Bhava. All the odd structure comes under the Pitruja Bhava. Upadhatu. Upadhatu of Majja Dhatu. As we know, as we can see the Dalana commentary told it is the Upadhatu of Majja Dhatu, where Charaka and Sharangadhara are not mentioned. Mala. Satkittam. Kesha Loma Asthanam. Sushruta Sutra 46/529. Mala of Asti Dhatu. Number. There are 29,956 according to Charaka. Prakruta Swarupa of Kesha. In the context of Deha Prakriti and Dhatusara, the Swarupa of Kesha is explained which highlights the Prakruta avastha of Sharira. The Lakshana mentioned in the Deha Prakriti and Dhatusara. Vata Prakriti. According to Vata Prakriti, Alpa Kesha Uksha Sharangadhara Purokanda 6/21. As per Sharangadhara, that the person who has Vata Prakriti, the hair will be Alpa Kesha, scanty hair, and Krusha and Ruksha. Pitta Prakriti person as Akale Palitya Vyakto, which means as per Sharangadhara, the person who has Pitta Prakriti, the hair will be Akale Palitya, premature graying of hair, baldness, less hair with brownish color, soft in nature. Kapha Prakriti. Signa Kesha Mahabala. As Kapha Prakriti person as per Sharangadhara person as Snigdha Kesha, Mahabala, curly and strong hair. Sara Purusha. Soft oily Kesha. In Satvika Prakriti, especially in Varunakaya, it is mentioned about gold color hair as a characteristic feature. Scalp anatomy. This is the diagram of a single hair strand. Its outermost layer is cutile, cortex, medulla, macrofibril, and microfibril. This is the hair shaft. What is scalp? The scalp tissue. The scalp means the soft tissue covering the vault of the skull. There are 5 layers of scalp. They are skin, connective tissue, aponeurosis, loose areolar tissue, and pericranium. The average growth rate of hair is 1 centimeter per month. The lifespan is 2 to 6 years. These are the clinical importance of Kesha. Darunaka, which means dandruff due to Vata Prakriti. Indralupta, an autoimmune disease that causes hair loss in parts. Kalitya, baldness. Palitya, premature graying of hair. Protection mechanism. Protection from external temperature. Act as insulation. Tactile receptor function.
Thank you for watching video. Your response will motivate me to take further topics. By scanning QR code, you can connect me through Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.